In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view memories in ChatGPT. If you've heard about the memory feature and want to quickly see what ChatGPT remembers about your preferences, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact path and explain what you'll find along the way. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Look to the bottom left corner of the interface and click your profile. This opens your account menu, which is where settings and controls live. It's the same place you'd go to adjust appearance or account details, and it's the starting point for everything related to personalization. Inside that menu, choose Personalization. This section focuses on how ChatGPT tailors conversations to you. Opening it brings together options that influence tone, context, and other high-level behaviors. So it's the natural place to check when you want to understand what ChatGPT is using to customize replies. Within personalization, locate the memory area. Memory is where ChatGPT stores concise, high-level facts you've chosen to share for better continuity, things like your preferred writing style or recurring project context. Not every region or account will see the same options, and the layout can evolve over time, but the memory label is what you're looking for. Next, click Manage. Manage takes you straight into the list view that shows your saved memories. This is a read-friendly page designed to surface what's currently stored, so you can quickly confirm it reflects what you want ChatGPT to remember. Think of it like a dashboard. Clear entries, organized for quick scanning, with enough detail to understand each item at a glance. Once you're on the Manage screen, you can view your memories. That's it. Take a moment to read through the entries and make sure they still make sense for the way you work. If you don't see anything listed, it simply means there aren't any saved yet. And if you don't see the memory option at all, the feature may not be enabled for your account or device yet, which is normal as features roll out gradually. A quick reminder as you use memory: keep entries high level and avoid adding sensitive personal information. The goal is to help ChatGPT maintain helpful context across conversations while keeping your privacy in mind. That's the entire path: profile, personalization, memory, then manage to view what's saved. Whether you're using ChatGPT on desktop or the mobile app, the wording and placement are generally consistent, usually anchored near your avatar in the lower corner. Interface details may shift over time, but the flow stays the same.